the Tigresses with a little Valentine's Day hangover. Take a look at that Kinesia tape.
Wow.
Heart-shaped, you know? I don't know how you're going to protect your ligaments with a tiny little heart-shaped Kinesia tape, but if it's like a good luck charm, whatever works, right?
I know. And these girls are showing that they have a sense of parang appreciation for the art of using Kinesia tape.
That was Banatikla. And kitang-kita, no, heart-shaped talaga.
Ooh, nice hit. Nice dig from Agno, an even better one.
Reyes.
Oh, they go to Vargas again.
The tip.
There you go.
Beautiful play by Rosemary Vargas, who's starting to get her rhythm on here in set number 2.
I like to see Vargas again attack it the way she normally does, the way we're used to seeing her attack. And you noticed it, Eric, nung mga huling pinapatama niya lang, wala na yung follow-through, wala na yung approach.
Wala na yung same energy na pinakita niya sa atin noong Lunes against Adamson, which brought them here in this matchup against UST. Great save, but Eulalio on the second try with a kill.
Even the serves of Vargas helping out.
And now, itong FEU fighting back. And we're tied at 8-all, set number 2.
Nice
beautiful serve by Vargas.
That was a nice serve.
Basas blocked, and just a little outside the sideline. Now, FEU, Doc Ian, lamang na ng isa after trailing by 3 here in set number 2.
Awesome recovery from FEU.
And courtesy of these hammer serves by Rosemary Vargas. Ooh, another one. Hindi nga lang bumaba yung bola.
Bumaba na, tumaas. Tumaas ulit. Ayaw tumuloy-tuloy.
So 9-all.
Wala na yun. Na-overshoot ang runway.
Wala na nga lumapit ang UST player. Parang natakot na eh. Malakas na.
Aray.
Aray. 1 point lang naman.
Second shot pa lang naman. Labo.
Bawi na lang tayo. Reyes. Good block by the net defense of FEU. She tries again. C to Eulalio. Ortiz.
Oh, that's
Agno,
so close.
Great pick up by Agno. Reyes. Basas. Cross. Too long.
Well, the cell was a bit far. Kita naman natin halos nasa labasan ng antena. So Basas was beneath or underneath the wall. Tough angle to work with.
Halos katabi na ng first referee si Basas, no?
That's right.
So UST gets the lead off that error by FEU. 10 serving 9. Beautiful tip. No one even close. But that was just wide from Eulalio.
Wow.
She had the right idea.
That was a sorry miss because you can see that the USC defense were miles away. The closest player was probably 10 feet away. Sayang. I thought it was a point. So, miscalculation on the part of Winnes.
2-point lead, UST. Oh, nice play by Morado. To keep it alive for UST, and a save by Dimaculangan. But Rhea could not get to the ball on the second attack by FEU.
Eulalio being given these sets right now.
Napangiti na lang si Dimaculangan. Kinapos na ng one more step. 10 serving 11.
Nice serve from Giselle.
Oh, but an excellent dig by the Lady Tamaraos. Reyes. Over the block or against the block of Baniel. Pasok ang bola.
Baniel, we're going to see really far from the net. Huge opening. There you go. And Winnes was really late. So, pagtama ng bola kay Baniel, hindi naman nakasarado yung block ni Winnes. It just went straight into the FEU court.
The lead back to UST. They're up by 2. 12 serving 10. Nice save by Reyes. Reyes gets to hit. Oh, the blockers anticipating that tip.
That was straight into the waiting arms of Eulalio.
And those are very, very long arms, too.
Oh, yeah. And Reyes is being controlled by the defense right now.
That's just long. Galing kay Hirotsuji, they're asking for a check ball. In layman's terms, yung nakawakan ng depensa yung bola pero walang tinawag.
Oh, sayang din yun. Walang blocker, open. But again, it's too long.
So 2 straight points for FEU. We're tied at 12. Oh, beautiful flick of the wrist by Ingrid Reyes.
She jumped so high, you know, for a small girl. She really has that elevation.
Yung angle ng bola
Oo.
talagang kuha-kuha niya.
Galing.
Lead back to USD, 13-12. Baniel is blocked. That's not coming back.
Denied by Banatikla.
Banatikla was all over that ball. Nice read. So one of those blocks that you would really appreciate kasi talagang hinintay niya eh. Hinintay niya yung dating ng bola. Ooh!
And a mistimed attack by FEU. They're starting to break down again.
Yes. This is a crucial rotation for FEU. You've got rookie attackers in Baniel and Dawson in front. So, walang senior na attacker dyan. Ano? Ayan, see, now you get confused
That was
in your
for
attack.
Dawson, pero si Dawson hindi na-expect yung bola. Baniel. Blocked was Bagang. Inserted into the lineup right now. That is too
Outside,
wide
too
from
wide.
Baniel. Ito na ang pinakamalaking lamang ng USD. They're up by 4. And it sends us to the second technical timeout of set number 2. 16-12 USD over FEU.